let me help you save some money and a trip to the nail salon by doing your own Gel X extensions at home. I've been doing my nails for quite a while, so I've kind of learned the tips and tricks. Also, one of my friends is a nail tech, so I've learned from her too. So, all of these items that I have, I got from Amazon, so I will link them for you guys. But basically, what you do is you make sure that you get rid of any old polish that you have on. I love these little clips. I got them from Amazon, and you just put some acetone and a cotton pad, and it's pretty good at taking off any old nail polish or other Gel X extensions. After that, you want to buff your surface to get rid of any other nail glue or anything that might be on it. So as you can see, my nails are buffed completely. Then what you're going to do is you're going to use dehydrator. This is really good at taking off any excess oil that might be on your nails that will prevent the gel from actually sticking. This protein bond is a game changer. I think this really works well with the Press Extend Gel, just with adherence of the nail itself, because it literally lasts me like 3 weeks or so. So after the protein bond, you don't cure that. You just let it dry. Then you put the Press, a little thin layer on your nail. Then you're going to put a dollop of it on the actual nail itself. These are also Press nails as well. I love these because they have a really good apex on them. When you're attaching the nail, you want to do it at a 45-degree angle to prevent any air bubbles. And then you're going to cure that under a UV light. And as you can see, it looks perfectly fine. Then you're going to cure your nails for 60 seconds after you've applied everything. After this, you're going to buff and you're going to file your nail however shape you would like them to be. So I typically go for almond shape because that's just the style that I like, but you can do coffin or whatever else you like. After you've shaped your nails, what you're going to want to do is you want to buff off that shine because you want the polish that you're using to adhere to it. So I'm buffing off the shine, also buffing off any little stray nail pieces that are there as well. Then I am using my nail bit to take off any excess glue that might be on the bottom of my nail. And you want to make sure you do this because this helps with the nail adhering and not lifting. Then you're going to take a little bit of acetone, which I've learned a trick from other nail techs, and it's basically to kind of seal the actual Gel X to your nails. Then you're going to use a base gel, and this is basically your base for your nail polish or whatever color that you're using, and you're going to cure that. I found this really pretty color off of Amazon and I love sage green. I'm absolutely obsessed with this color and it is such a beautiful, pretty fall color. So I'm applying this all over my nails after I've cured the base, and you're just going to apply it as evenly as you can. And I decided to be a little different and do a design on one of my nails. So you can use any clear nail polish to create a design on your nail. But basically prior to this, I put a matte finish so that the glitter doesn't stick to the nail itself. The matte finish that I used was by, I think, Amelie. I will put a picture of it so you can see. And basically what you're doing is you're rubbing in whatever gold chrome powder you have. You can use whatever color you'd like. It doesn't have to necessarily be gold, but I'm using gold. And then I'm just going to wipe off the excess that I have. And then I'm going to apply a top coat to that. And this is how my nails came out. I absolutely loved them. I hope this helps. Thanks, guys. Bye.